The 2026 Honda Passport has arrived, and it's tougher, bolder, and more off-road ready than ever before. But here's the big question, does all that added capability come at a steep price? Let's break down everything you need to know. Honda has given the Passport a full makeover, making it more trail-ready than ever. It keeps its unibody chassis, but the real magic happens with the new off-road hardware, improved suspension, and added features. Key upgrades include heavy checkmark more aggressive, off-road ready styling. Heavy checkmark trail-ready TrailSport and TrailSport Elite models. Heavy checkmark a new 10-speed automatic transmission. Heavy checkmark a second-gen torque vectoring AWD system. Heavy checkmark skid plates that can take a serious beating. Alright, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Passport starts at $46,200 for the base RTL model, while the fully loaded TrailSport Elite Blackout will set you back a hefty $55,100. That's a big jump compared to last year's model, but is it justified? Let's take a look at the pricing breakdown. Trim. MSRP, Intel destination. Fuel economy, MPG. RTL. $46,200. 1925/21. RTL towing. $46,900. 1925/21. RTL blackout. $47,400. 1925/21. TrailSport. $49,900. 1823/20. TrailSport blackout. $51,100. 1823/20. TrailSport Elite. $53,900. 1823/20. TrailSport Elite blackout. $55,100. 1823/20. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2026 Passport an actual off-road contender. Every trim comes with Honda's 3.5-liter V6 pushing out 285 horsepower and 262 pound-ft of torque, paired with a new 10-speed automatic and standard AWD. We tested the TrailSport Elite in Moab, and it proved itself against hardcore off-roaders like the Jeep Wrangler and Toyota 4Runner. Thanks to its off-road-tuned suspension, general grabber tires, and skid plates, this SUV is finally built for real adventure. And check this out, the new Trail Watch camera system gives you a 360-degree view of obstacles, making tough trails easier to navigate. Inside, the Passport gets some nice upgrades. The RTL kicks things off with a 10.2-inch digital driver display and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The TrailSport adds easy-to-clean synthetic leather seats with orange stitching, all-season floor mats, and a panoramic sunroof. But if you want luxury, the TrailSport Elite takes it up a notch with ventilated seats, a Bose 12-speaker sound system, and a heated steering wheel. Honda is offering 7 customization packages for the Passport, including an overlanding adventure package, a pet package, and the new HPD package for a sportier look. So, is the new Passport worth the price hike? If you are looking for a rugged SUV with real off-road capability, Honda has finally delivered. The TrailSport models are legit, and the added tech and luxury features make it a well-rounded package. What do you think? Is the 2026 Passport a hit or a miss? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.